These are some pretty cool watch faces, and they're all free. You just have to download it on Apple's website. What's going on, everyone? In today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to get these those cool watch faces you saw earlier on your Series 4 or newer Apple Watch. Let's go ahead and get started. So not that long ago, Apple updated their website. Was this the end of AIDS begin was red? So product red has been in the lineup for quite some time now on Apple, over 15 years. And today they're celebrating it by not only featuring their product red products that are available right now, like the product red iPhones, cases, and of course the Apple Watch right now, the Series 7 has a bunch of, well, a few different style bands to choose from. But right below here, you can actually download some of these exclusive colored watch faces like you previously saw in the intro of this video. So there's a couple of ones available right now, like the typogram, colors, stripes, granite, numero, monos, world time. So just these Apple Watches is what we have. So simply just select the one you want, allow, let it download, and then it should take us to the Apple Watch app. Just add to your watch face, and now here it is. And there you go. Now we have our product red Apple watch face. You can do this with all the other ones too, like the colors, stripes. World clock actually looks pretty dope. Let's go ahead and add this. Bam! There you go. So just wanted to make a quick video showing you how easy it is to get these product red watch faces right now that are available on Apple's website. I'll have a link to this Apple URL in the description for you guys. And that's basically it. Again, it's just support the Series 4, 5, 6, SE, and of course, the new Apple Watch Series 7 like I have right here. So there you guys have it. That's just a quick video how you get these amazing watch faces on your Apple Watch. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more, check out this video as I go through 100+ hidden features available on any Apple Watch running the latest version of watchOS 8. And in that video over there, that's just a video YouTube's recommending specifically for you. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.